Hi, I'm Evan with Service Star. I'm here to talk about our ACE line of equipment today. The first one I'm going to show you is our ACE 20T. This machine has a 16-gallon solution tank and 17-gallon recovery tank. They give you that extra gallon to help account for any foam or anything like that may build up in your recovery tank. It has a 20-inch disc system on the front. You can get these in either a disc format such as this that takes your standard floor pads, or you can also get it in a brush format, depending on your floor type. Your clean water goes in the front here. Notice you do have a chain here to help catch it to keep up with this top for here. And this is also built out of metal. A lot of floor equipment manufacturers manufacture this with plastic. And that plastic ends up breaking off and getting down in your solution tank and causing clogs and other issues. So you're going to put your clean water in here. That clean water is going to travel through the scrubber. And it's going to come out of your clean water tank right here under the squeegee. They have conveniently placed the solution filter clean out as well as the solution control in front of the squeegee, so that when you're cleaning out the filter, you make less of a mess by turning off the solution flow. And also by being in front of the squeegee, you can easily vacuum it back up off the floor. I always suggest people to start with a solution at about 50 to 60% and then gauge from there, because you can outwork your vac motor and you want to make sure you suck all that solution off the floor. You've got a convenient clip right here on the side for your drain hose. You would unclip that. Always when dumping your dirty water, make sure when you open the cap on the drain hose that the hose is higher than your dirty water tank. Otherwise, you may wear that dirty water. See, we give you full access to the recovery tank here so that you can get a hose in there and rinse any additional soils that may be in there. Obviously, it's dirty water, soil is going to be in there, but the more that you can get out, the less opportunity you have for any bad smells or anything like that to build up. You have a few buttons on here. We keep it pretty basic and try to show the basic features here. This turns your pads, your brushes on and off. Once you click this button, your brushes will start spinning and water will be applied. You've got a separate manual lever to raise and lower your brush deck on this 20 option. A lot of people like that because there's not an expensive actuator or motor to replace when you need to do that. This button right here will turn your vacuum on and off. A lot of people like to double scrub when they scrub. That means scrubbing with the squeegee up and the vacuum off to get more solution on the floor. So it allows that capability for you. You also have a speed control right here. Obviously, Rabbit is going to be towards the faster side and your Turtle is going to be more towards the slower side. The other controls you have is you have a forward and reverse, and there is also a neutral. You also have a light that is very convenient for cleaning in dimly lit spaces, or maybe you're in a facility that saves on electricity by shutting off half of the lights at night. When it comes to charging and charging your batteries, the charger port for your batteries is conveniently placed right here above the squeegee lift handle. Your squeegee lift, again, it's manual, so there is no motor or anything to replace on that. You have good line of sight to how much solution that you have in the scrubber, and you can also pop it off of here if you ever needed a drain solution. Raising and lowering the pads, you step onto this pedal. If you want to lower, you step down and press to the inside of the scrubber. When you want to raise it, you step down and press to the outside of the scrubber. You can lift this lever and get additional pad pressure on the floor. So if you've got exceptional ground in dirt, anything like that, you can add a little bit more pad pressure to get a little more umph. The productivity of this machine is approximately 24,000 square foot per hour. So this machine would be good for buildings approximately 24,000 square feet or less. The other good benefit of this machine is it's agile and maneuverable. One of the benefits of the 20 over the 26 is the 20 can get into a few more edges and corners than the 26. That's the 20T.